Good morning, student. So today we read chapter 12 about exponent and powers. So already you had a chapter in standard 7 class about powers and exponents. So let's remind what is power, what is base, and what is exponent. So if I will write here 10 to the power 10 like this. So this is here 10 is base and 2 is called exponent. So what is exponent? The exponent means number of times. So it is how you will read this term 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to the power 2. So what does it mean? 10 raised to the power means 10 into 10. So how many times the base is multiplied, that is, or the number of times the base is multiplied is exponent. So in standard 7th you read that about the exponent always the positive exponents, about positive exponents. 10 to the power 2, 10 into 10. Suppose 10 to the power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10, or 2 to the power 4, 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times you multiply 2. So 2 raised to the power 4. Here 2 is base and 4 is exponent. So in 7th you read about the positive exponent. So in 8th you read something more about the negative exponent. If the exponent is negative, then how you will solve the problems based on it. Okay. So first, suppose your 10 to the power 2 means what? 10 into 10. Okay. Then 10 to the power 1, that means 10, or 10 to the 1 equal to 10. That means suppose 10 into 10 by 10 means you get 10. Okay. 10 to the power 0 equal to 1. How? Suppose 10 to the power 1 minus 1. Okay. You get 10 to the power 0. So how it is 1? Here we will know that 10 to the power 0 equal to how it is 1. Okay. So if the power is negative, okay, if the power is negative means suppose 10 to the power minus 1, 10 raised to the power minus 1. So what does it value? Okay. So here how do you solve? 10. Okay. It is 1 by 10. 10 to the power minus 1 means what? 10. 1 by 10. How? Suppose here 1 equal, what do you know? 10 to the power 0 equal to 1. So 10 to the power 0 minus 1. Okay. So it is what? 10 to the power minus 1, which is you can write here 1 by 10. Okay. So 1 means 10 by 10. Here 1, how? 10 to the power 0 means 10 by 10. If you call 10 by 10 you get 1. So 10 to the power 1. Here also 10 to the power 1. So 10 to the power minus power means it will be 1 by 10 to the power positive exponent. You will solve like this. Suppose 10 to the power minus 2. How will you solve? 10 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 10 raised to be positive 2. Like this you will solve here. Okay. So this is the negative exponent. So you know that, you remind that if the power exponent is in negative form or the power is in negative form, suppose 10 to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 10. Suppose 10 to the power minus 2 equal to 1 by 10 to raised to the power 2. Okay. Suppose 10 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 10 to the power raised to the power 3 positive. So like this you will solve. And if the exponential form is in negative form and you have to divide by 1 with the positive numbers, then you can solve in this procedure. Okay. So suppose 3 to the power minus 3, that means 3 to the power minus 3, 1 by 3 to the power 3 is raised to the power, that is 1 by 27. So 3 to the power minus 3 its value is 1 by 27. Suppose 2 to the power minus 4, that means 1 by 2 to the power 4, 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the power 4 to the 8 to the 16, that is 1 by 16. So value is 2 to the power minus 2 raised to the power 4, value is 1 by 16. Okay, here 2 is base, 4 is exponent or power. Exponent means the number multiplied, the number of times the number or the base multiplied. Okay, so suppose 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so I say that 10 to the power 3 raised to the power 3, but how it happens? So let's start. Suppose 10 cube means what? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Okay. Suppose 10 to the power square, that means 3 into 3, that is 27 by 3. Okay, 27 by 3. Then suppose 3 to the power 1, that means 3 into 3 by 3, that is 9 by 3. You get 3. Okay. Okay. Power 2 means 3 into 3, that's from 3 to, if you divide 3, you get 27. Or here also you can, instead of 27, you can write like this, 3 into 3 into 3, cut 1, you get 3 into 3, and here also same thing. Okay, 3 3, you get 3. Then 0 means what? 3 divided by 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3, cut, you get 1. So 3 to the power 0, what? 3 to the 1, 3 to the power 0 means, I told you 3 to the power 0 equal to 1. Any numbers, base is, what may be the base number? If the power is 0, the value will be 1. You remind this one. This may be question come in short question, bit type. If base may be, whatever may be the base number, is the exponent or the power is 0, the value will be 1. Then suppose 3 to the power minus 1 means what? 1 by 3. Okay, or 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Then 3 to the power minus 2, that is 1 by 3 division 3, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 9. Okay, or 3 to 3 power 2. Okay, then 3 to the power minus 3, that means 1 by 3 square division 3, that is 1 by 3 square into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 to the power 3. 2 plus 1 3. So like this. So this is the procedure to know that how 3 to 3 raised to the power minus 3 equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. Let's read some laws of exponent. So if you know the laws of exponents, which will help you to solve some problems based on base and exponent or power or exponent. If a to the power, remind this, if a to the power m by a to the power n number 1 equal to your answer a to the power m minus n. If numerator and denominator both base is same a and the power is different m and n, then a to the power m minus n. This is first law. That means suppose 2 to the power 4 by 2 to the power 2, that means here base is same. Okay, here power is 4, here is power is 2, that means you can write here 2 to the power 4 minus 2. What I said here, m, this is n, so m minus n, that is 2 to the power 2. Okay, This is first law. Second law is if a to the power m